Welcome to AskBR Tech. Whether you're in Bangalore or Bombay, your journey to IT mastery starts right here. From the fundamentals of networking and Linux to the cutting edge of agentic AI with LangChain and Crew AI, we cover it all. Follow our structured 3 to 24 month roadmaps designed to take you from absolute beginner to industry expert. Get exam ready with content strictly aligned to official objectives for CCNA, Security Plus, and Azure. Theory isn't enough. Break things and fix them in our secure, virtual sandbox lab environments. Join over 200 like-minded professionals. Use our integrated tools to stay ahead of the curve. Our integrated job board connects your new skills directly to India's top IT opportunities. Start for free, go pro for the full experience, or join our live weekend boot camps for direct mentorship. Your future in IT is waiting. I'm Javi, and I'll see you inside AskBR Tech. Let's build your career together.